paper, what I am doing to extract features from the image. Second image you check, there is lot of noise and a little bit of my object or what the feature, and I am getting the output. So
what's that dot?
Huh?
What's that big dot on the right?
Look, the thing is that when you will take output, dot is nothing special. The only thing is that when you are getting 2 points at some point, so when tensor grows up, because it's a cross section of 2 lines, so it's getting a bigger, darker dot.
So here actually tensor is the data structure. It's a data structure, and then you develop an algorithm based on this data structure.
Tensor is a matrices, not as a data structure, because in data structure you can define each quantity of, you can define the data type of each quantity, like you are taking some variable, you are defining this is float, this is this, this is this. But here in matrices, all the points are of the same value, or you can say, so data structure is little bit different thing.
I mean, data structure is not structure. Structure, like you can define different.
Yeah, the structure is more if when we define in terms of software that variables A, B are integer, C, D are of this type. So, but here all the means the points in tensor are of the same nature or same values, or not values, same nature I should say. If this is double, so all are double. If it is float, all are float. So this picture is just to tell you that what is the object of the paper, that if you are getting this kind of noisy input, what type of output we will get. So this is just to explain the object.
Excuse me.
Yes.
How do you denoise these pictures?
How?
How did you denoise this picture? Noisy image, and you find this picture is denoisy.
What is the tensor for each pixel? Left picture.
This figure is, I didn't complete it. This figure is just that what is our objective. I didn't explain how we obtain. This is just what we will get.
I mean that was the method that you use, the tensor.
Tensor voting. Yeah.
Yes. What's the method for this denoising?
Sorry, I'm not getting your point. What the method?
Yes. What's the method for?
Method. Okay. Yeah. Undoubtedly the tensor voting. I will explain. I'm going to explain this point just now.
Okay. Before speaking about the tensor, what is the tensor for a pixel in this picture? For example, you use RGB. I don't know. What is the?
That's. I'm going to explain this point. And okay, let me check if.
What's that?
Okay. In the program, I didn't write this program. I got it online. But there is one image. Suppose this image is banana1.h. If I will show you this image, this is basically what he did. He took this image like this. Okay, this is a banana. What he has done, he has given some coordinates of some points.
Green pepper.
Spice.
You always do spices. Okay, I don't have to try. So, if I will show you this,
Assume it's a banana. So,
give me a minute. So look, this is the image in which there is no image. In fact, the only coordinates and the, I think it's intensity or brightness of the point. So every point is converted into a tensor. 61 first point 61 means there are 61 lines. It means I am selecting 61 points. And then they start XY coordinates and the intensity. XY coordinate and the intensity. It's like that. So it may be intensity or brightness because some value. So it should not be Z value because I tried to draw roughly. So it was giving this kind of shape with XY because it's a 2D.
So
2D figure.
the first two columns just give the location, right?
Yeah.
So it's like discrete
Matrix.
columns.
So it's like matrix. X, Y, and the value.
Value, but what
So
kind of
1 by
value?
3 matrix or 3 by n.
It's giving discrete
It's
columns.
two, depending on how many X you have. Just 2D matrix. It's like matrix. You have a pen.
No, but your XY is not every point, not every X and every Y. Here it's only discrete points.
Like some point.
It's
So
like
some
some
point is
points,
like
it's
zero.
given some points, only given some points, and the rest is like not given.
Can
And
I?
then, yeah, first column is X, second column is Y.
This
Third
might be
column, you don't know what is that.
I will consider
It's something. Third column is something.
that used for
It was used. That's why I want to ask the vendor what is that. Like I asked him last time also. So this one is like basically the image is like this. So sorry, it have more points here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the two coordinates give the X and Y.
On the edge,
Yeah.
right?
Basically, like you have each of these points like X and Y, but that's also the third column is unknown. And you don't know what is this. Like I said.
Is that the value of that point?
Yes, but what value? I don't know what value.
But why is
It looks like
So
intensity because
more
some
at
points
the
are very
beginning.
zero value, some have very less intensity. That is for noise.
intensity.
This doesn't
What
make
unit?
sense.
What's
Are these 61 points taken at random or
We
we
try
try to draw
The thing is
The
that
intensity
I took it
300.
online, but the thing is that I am guessing that for giving input, so what he did, he randomly made something, and he approximated that this is X, this is Y, this is X,
No,
this is Y.
because why I was asking that was because if there is just 1 0, right? I mean, if you're saying it's the intensity and there's just 1 0, it won't make sense, right? Because you would expect a lot more zeros where there are no big, where
Yeah.
something like that.
But
So-
it may be some intensity or brightness. It's
No,
some,
no, but how did they choose the points, the 61 points? How was it chosen in the code?
it was missed. The thing is that if you have to select a banana, you know, suppose this is a shape of a banana, suppose. Okay, suppose. So he approximately took some points.
So at random.
The thing is that the image is not clear, but this software will make it clear. Are you getting the point?
Yeah, I mean, that is the, yeah, but I was just like, I don't know how the 61 points was.
BC is selected randomly, I think so. That's my guess. Even I'm not clear with this code, so I'm trying to discuss with the guys how this code is working. But I'm expecting, but an idea is there that he selected some point.
But you cannot pick it randomly because you don't know the banana shape there. Here you are not actually picking randomly because you have the shape here. For example, you have the banana here. You're basically picking more or less the points here, right?
Yeah.
And also you pick some point outside or like whatever. So eventually get the plot the images out there.
Yeah. He
So-
even took